if you long press the camera control here in the bottom, you immediately open the camera, check out the little animation that we had, and then you can use it to take a picture. You can use it to film if you long press it. You can scroll to change your camera. Soft press it double. You actually open up the little menu and you can scroll towards the different options here. You have the tone, styles, cameras, zoom, depth, and exposure, obviously. Just let me quickly show you the new camera control here. So you press it, it automatically opens the camera app. And now you can actually use it with one finger if you want here on top. So this is very sensitive actually, this button. You have a hard and a light press. And when you press just one time hard, a picture, when you long press, it automatically starts filming just like that. But if you slightly tap, you can actually zoom in and zoom out. But if you double tap really thin, you actually open up this little menu here, which allows you to go into other settings like the tone, the styles, the cameras, the zoom, and obviously the exposure that you can adjust. And so let's, for example, make it brighter, louder.